A Russian fighter jet has crashed during a training exercise in the Kaliningrad region. The 2 crew members aboard the 2-seater Su-30 fighter jet were killed in the incident. This model of fighter jet is commonly used by Russian forces in Ukraine. Telegram channel 112 reported that an explosion was heard as the jet descended and then an explosion was heard as it crashed into the ground. In a statement, the Western Military District said, on August 12, while performing a training flight in the Kaliningrad region, a Su-30 aircraft crashed in a deserted area. The flight was carried out without ammunition. The crew died. According to data from the investigation, the cause of the incident was a technical malfunction on the Su-30 aircraft. This isn't the first time in recent months one of the jets has caused issues. Last October, a Su-30 hurtled into the suburb of Irkutsk while on a test flight from the Irkutsk aviation plant. According to reports, the pilot suffocated inside the Soviet-era fighter, causing it to tumble out of the sky. Footage of the crash showed the moment the jet crashed into a house in Serbia, which led to the death of both pilots. Three children were reportedly evacuated from a 2-story building that was hit as the jet hit the ground. While this is the second time a Su-30 has crashed in the past year, it isn't the only Russian aircraft to crash in the past 12 months. Last month, a MiG-31 crashed into the Pacific Ocean during a training flight over Avacha Bay, resulting in a search and rescue operation by the Russian Navy. In the same month, a Su-25 fighter bomber collided with the Sea of Azov in front of hundreds of beachgoers who shared footage of the crash online. While the pilot successfully ejected from the Su-25, they reportedly died after getting tangled in their parachute.